How do you handle feeling bored at home?
I find a new activity or watch a movie to pass the time.
Do you enjoy going to outdoor markets?
Yes, I like browsing unique items and supporting local vendors.
What's your favorite way to relax after a busy day?
I like taking a warm bath or reading a book.
How do you cope with feeling overwhelmed by tasks?
I break them into smaller steps and tackle them one by one.
Do you like going to live music performances?
Yes, I find them exciting and energizing.
What's your favorite type of pizza topping?
I love pepperoni and mushrooms on my pizza.
How do you handle feeling anxious in public?
I practice deep breathing and remind myself to stay calm.
Do you enjoy going to cultural events?
Yes, I find them informative and enjoyable.
What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day?
I like staying indoors and watching movies.
How do you cope with feeling stressed at work?
I take short breaks and practice mindfulness.
Do you like going to food truck festivals?
Yes, I enjoy trying different foods from trucks.
What's your favorite type of movie genre?
I like watching comedies and romantic movies.
How do you handle feeling uncertain about a decision?
I weigh the pros and cons and trust my intuition.
Do you enjoy going to farmers markets?
Yes, I like buying fresh produce and supporting local farmers.
What's your favorite way to unwind before bedtime?
I read a book or listen to calming music.
How do you cope with feeling overwhelmed by emotions?
I practice mindfulness and express my feelings.
Do you like going to vintage shops?
Yes, I enjoy finding unique vintage items and clothes.
What's your favorite way to enjoy nature?
I like going for hikes and having picnics.
How do you handle feeling distracted while working?
I set specific work periods and eliminate distractions.
Do you enjoy going to bookstores?
Yes, I love browsing for new books to read.
What's your favorite way to relax in the evening?
I like watching TV shows or spending time with family.
How do you cope with feeling overwhelmed by tasks?
I make a to-do list and prioritize tasks.
Do you like going to outdoor picnics?
Yes, I enjoy being outdoors and sharing food with others.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I enjoy milk chocolate and dark chocolate.
How do you handle feeling stressed at work?
I take short breaks and practice deep breathing.
Do you enjoy going to local fairs?
Yes, I find fairs a fun way to experience local culture.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
I like going for runs and doing yoga.
How do you cope with feeling overwhelmed by responsibilities?
I break tasks into smaller steps and ask for help if needed.
Do you like going to outdoor art festivals?
Yes, I enjoy seeing a variety of artistic creations.
What's your favorite way to enjoy time with friends?
I like going out for dinner or having game nights.
How do you handle feeling indecisive?
I gather information and listen to my intuition.
Do you enjoy going to beach parties?
Yes, I like the relaxed atmosphere and beach games.
What's your favorite way to celebrate birthdays?
I enjoy having a gathering with friends and family.
How do you cope with feeling overwhelmed by choices?
I make a pros and cons list and trust my judgment.
Do you like going to outdoor markets?
Yes, I like exploring unique items and local goods.
What's your favorite way to relax and recharge?
I enjoy taking a leisurely walk or practicing meditation.
How do you handle feeling anxious about social events?
I remind myself that I can handle it and practice deep breathing.
Do you enjoy going to food festivals?
Yes, I love trying different dishes from various cuisines.
What's your favorite way to unwind before bed?
I like reading or listening to calming music.
How do you cope with feeling overwhelmed by emotions?
I practice mindfulness and express my feelings.
Do you like going to vintage shops?
Yes, I enjoy finding unique vintage items.
What's your favorite way to enjoy nature?
I like going for hikes and having picnics.
How do you handle feeling distracted while working?
I set specific work periods and eliminate distractions.
Do you enjoy going to farmers markets?
Yes, I like the fresh produce and local products.
What's your favorite type of fruit juice?
I enjoy orange juice and pineapple juice.
How do you cope with feeling overwhelmed by choices?
I narrow down options based on my preferences.
Do you like going to outdoor movie screenings?
Yes, I find them fun and nostalgic.